Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate your time and I want to share with you a quick DIY. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch. Hopefully you'll like it and decide to become a subscriber. This DIY is a Dollar Tree project. I have two of the Dollar Tree candle holders or candlesticks. I have this fabric. I went to the Dollar Tree and they had these glitter on it, and I thought that was very different. So I want to do something with that. And then Hobby Lobby have these glitter and it's pink. I think that is so cute. It's actually sort of matched my nails. So I really like that idea. What I want to do, I want to create a fab glam candle holders. Really feminine. So the rose gold, I'm going to go ahead and paint on my Mod Podge and my glitter. And then we can decorate the cylinder. What you'll need for this project is one of the Dollar Tree cylinders, two of the candle sticks, and you'll want to spray paint it. You can if you want to, or if you decide you don't want to, that's fine as well. I have mine painted. I'm going to add the glitter to it. So you'll need two candlesticks, cylinder, Mod Podge, one of these yarn from the Dollar Tree, some diamond wrap, a paintbrush. You definitely need paintbrush, and I hauled the bag from Michael's. I think it was $9.99 and I used the coupon on it. You'll need glue sticks and glue gun right here. You'll also need your scissors because you will need to cut your fabric. Alright, let's get started on this. I want to be able to catch my glue, my glitter, not glue. Hopefully I don't get my glue everywhere. But I want to add just a bit of glitter, not a whole lot. Okay, let's stop there for a bit. And I have to open my, I did not realize that. Okay guys, so I opened up my glitter and I went ahead and started painting. I completed the first one, and so I figured I'll just do this one with you guys. Of course, I have two of them and I need to get them both done. They're just painting on right now, the glue. And make sure it's evenly distributed because sometimes the glue can lump itself in one spot. Okay, now we're just going to sprinkle it on, generous amount. I must tell you, I like using a paper towel or parchment paper to do this. The reason why, it just makes it easier to get it back into the container. I think that's pretty good coverage. Now I want to go ahead and start working on the top. So I'm going to cover this whole entire thing. Then I'm going to start on my cylinder and I'll come back so you can see the next step with the cylinder while these candlesticks dry, because they will take a little bit of time to dry. So at this point it's covered. I'm going to pause and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I have my yarn and I'm going to separate it and decide what I want to do. I think I will start with gluing my diamond wrap around the top of my cylinder. Make sure it's all the way to the edge of the cylinder. And straight. It's important to have it straight. Tugging it a bit so it's tight, because as you guys know, I don't go all the way. Okay, now I have my fabric and I want to find where my glitter is on the fabric. So I think I like that. So let's lay some glue down. And I'm actually going to meet the other piece that I started with, just like that. Don't know if you can see that. So I'm outlining the diamond wrap with the yarn. Now that that's dry, I want to not all the way, but slightly open the yarn. Not a lot, just slightly open it. And you're just turning your cylinder so you have a spiral design. Slightly open it, not very much. So guys, I decided I wanted to outline the fabric just to bring some glitter and glam into this fabric decor. So lay your glue down, and I'm just basically outlining without touching the fabric, outlining fabric just like that. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and I'll be back to show you where I am. Okay guys, so I went ahead and glued the pedestal together. Now I'm thinking I want to add just a little bit of the glitter to the glass, just so it flows with the stand. So I'm going to paint it on, not a lot. I don't want it to be too saturated. I'm going to go ahead, add the sprinkles to this, then I'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. The glitter is fabulous. I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Let me know what your thoughts are and if this is something you recreate for your home or for your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and your comments, so please leave me a message. I will speak to you and see you on my next DIY.